This video tells you how to extend the D or E drive from the large C drive. First of all, you need to shrink the C drive to create an allocated space. You can shrink the C drive with Partition Resizer. Right-click and choose Resize. And then when the cursor shows double arrows, shrink it. Click OK. And click Apply Changes. Or you may use Disk Management to shrink the C. Right-click the C drive, choose Shrink Volume. And let's shrink a 200 gigabytes. This is 2 gigabytes and this is 200 gigabytes. Now there's 200 gigabytes unallocated space. Disk Management cannot extend the volume with the left side unallocated space. And since Disk Management cannot move partition or unallocated space, now let's extend partition with the free tool Partition Resizer. Right-click D and choose Resize. And drag its left border. Click OK. Before, the D drive is about 18 gigabytes. And after we click Apply Changes, now the D drive has been expanded over 100 gigabytes. Now let's extend the E with faraway unallocated space. First, you need to move the D drive. If there's any partition blocking the way, move it. Right-click, Move. When the cursor shows cross arrows, move it and click OK. Then unallocated space is here. And then right-click the E. Choose Resize, and when the cursor shows double arrows, drag its border. Click OK. Before, the E drive is about 40 gigabytes. And after we click Apply Changes, now the E drive is over 140 gigabytes. It's no data loss, no app reinstall needed using this free tool Partition Resizer. And if there's any partition standing in between, such as the recovery or EFI, you may also right-click and move it when there's adjacent unallocated space. Thanks for watching.